Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
We will have up to 21 family favorite rides open, weather permitting, including Dominator, Racer 75, Delirium, the Grand Carousel and Flying Eagles. Kids can enjoy select rides in Charlie Brown's Christmas Town and Elf Village, such as the Kite-Eating Tree, the Great Pumpkin Coaster and Snoopy's Junction.
Let's help you make your mark.
Do you offer a non-rider admission ticket? King's Dominion does not offer a non-rider discount. King's Dominion has a one-price admission as it is a multi-faceted park, not just a ride park. Live entertainment abounds at the park with fun-filled shows and roving characters and performers.
Let's help you make your mark.
On February 8, 2019, King's Dominion shocked the amusement industry by announcing the removal of Volcano, the blast coaster. Reactions to the announcement were negative, because it was not only a fan favorite, but also a unique one-of-a-kind roller coaster.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Volcano, the blast coaster. Volcano, the blast coaster at King's Dominion, Doswell. Volcano, the blast coaster, at King's Dominion, Doswell. At King's Dominion in Hanover County, flame shoots up from the volcano, to add a little ambience to the park's most popular thrill ride.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.